What is the significance of time of supply under GST law? So, why time of supply is so significant in GST law? You should understand that. The provision relating to time of supply of goods and time of supply of service are relevant to ascertaining the time to remit the taxes on particular transaction involving supply of goods and supply of service under GST law. Why it is so important, sir? I'm GST registered person. I require to collect GST. So I need to file GST return every month and need to remit the payment to government. So the government, if not provide as identification of time to pay the tax to government, people will say I have run the service, I have received the payment, but I don't think I need to pay it now. I will pay whenever I think it fits to pay the GST. They will come to this conclusion. So to prevent that misunderstanding of the GST, government has said why it is very significant to pay the GST amount in timely basis. That is why time of supply is very important. So the GST Act 2017 provides separate provision for time of supply of goods and service. Section 12 of time of supply of goods and Section 13 time of supply of service. So time of supply of goods is 12 and time of supply of service is 13. 12, 13, 12, 13. Remember, very good.